Meaning of hummus.
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 Hummus. Hummus is a popular Middle Eastern food spread that is made of ground chickpeas, tahini sauce, lemon juice, garlic, and olive oil. The word hummus comes from the Arabic word for chickpeas, which is amu. Hummus is a versatile food that can be used as a dip, spread, or even a salad dressing. It is high in protein and fiber, making it a nutritious option for vegetarians and vegans. In recent years, hummus has become increasingly popular around the world and is now widely available in supermarkets and restaurants.